aweze kujiintroduce na introduce family yake.
Praise God. Kwa majina naitwa Faris Ngauru Mirithu.
Wewe ataweza kujiintroduce, lakini anaitwa Faris Ngauru Mirithu, ndiye real brother, amelose. Wako na mke wake anaitwa Rosemary Maina. Wako na watoto wawili. Twende kwa nani amenda? Okay. Tuko na sister yetu anaitwa Nanayo Lydia. Huyu ameshindwa kujiintroduce. Wako na watoto watatu. Bwana yake ndiye ametusomea eulogy ambaye anaitwa Kirago. Watoto wako wapi? Wako hapa. Mtajitaja?
I'm called Ethan Mirithu Nkundi, and this is my brother Klaus Mnene Kashir. This is my brother Adrian Washira. And we really miss him.
Thank you very much. Sasa nitaenda kwa familia mande zetu Gashie. Nitaintroduce Janet kwanza, alafu nimpe wa mwisho nani. Anaitwa Janet Kaguta. Wako na mtoto anaitwa Mason. Ako wapi? Ndo huyo hapo, Mason Mirithu. So tutarudi twende kwa the next family. Watoto watajongea tu.
Hi, naitwa Lea Wanjiru, and this is my sister Esther Gashie.
Hi, my name is Esther Waithera, and I just want to say goodbye to him.
Thank you very much. Tuko na wan kwa hapa. No kugatu kugalito.
Ekejugalito tu awage ujugere. Mimi ni anko wa hii jamii, na mimi nafurahia nyinyi sana, na Mungu awarinde. Tuage pamoja namna hiyo, ndio kitabu ya Mungu inasema tuwe pamoja ndio tutafikia Mungu mbinguni. Asante sana.
Asante. Tuko na auntie amekaa hapa, inua tu mkono. Hapo hapo. Mimi nilikuwa nimekuja na mke wangu, amekataa kukuja. Lazima akuje ongee. Tasema tu jina juu ya muda.
Habari zenyu? Naitwa Mary Dugata. Asanteni.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Back to you.
Asante sana bwana ACC. Mimi niliambiwa kwamba sikujitambulisha. Mimi naitwa Dr. Njagi Makanga, na mimi ndiye bwana ya mheshimiwa wa hapa Bahati. Asanteni sana. Tunarudishia kanisa asanti, na kurudishia sasa mpango waendelee. Thank you very much.
Tupigie familia makofi. Na poleni kwa sababu ya hali ambayo mko nayo. Tunazidi kusema ya kwamba Mungu atamfariji. Wakati huu tungetoka kusomewa zile tribute tuko nazo, tributes za familia. Wale wote wako na tributes watokezee, wakianzishwa na Janet. Wale wako na tributes, watoto kina daughter, son, sister, brother, cousin, auntie, niece and nephews. Family member, yes. Wakuje wale wako na tributes. Yes. Wale wengine wako wapi? Mom, daughter, son, sister. Tunaanza na Janet. Sawa.
Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Kwa majina ni Connie Purity, rafiki ya bibi ya Henry, Janet. And I'm going to read her tribute. God gave me the opportunity and a rare privilege of being the friend, wife, and partner of a wonderful, loving, kind, and God-fearing man. You were the best husband and father to our child. When we met in 2008, let's just say I didn't think we could come this far. I remember the instances. You always introduced me to your family and friends. You did it so proudly, which made me feel so elevated and elated. I will forever cherish those moments, babe. You have been a pillar and a source of inspiration in my life and that of Mason because of your love, dedication, commitment, hard work, and the self-giving nature you had. You have greatly impacted my life in so many ways that words cannot express. You taught me how to be accommodative, how to maneuver in this life, how to love, and how to cherish every moment in life. You were a source of inspiration to me and to many others. You executed every task in my life that required your attention. I never had to do anything on my own. Upon a point, my friend Charity, she's Charity, used to call me baby girl. What I know of now is this baby girl has to fit in your big shoes. I don't know how, but God will make a way. You are a whole package, babe. My mechanic, my designated driver, my chief chef, the love of my life, my one and only, my confidant, my photographer, literally my everything. You made me feel loved, deeply understood, appreciated, and supported. I love you. I have loved you. Even in death, I still love you. Rest well, mi amor. Till we meet again. Janet.
Wale yule tasoma on behalf of Elizabeth, hata yeye atokeze. On behalf of Elizabeth.
Yeah, dear mourners, my name is Danny Dongaga. I'm reading on behalf of the son, my son. How is heaven, Dad? Mom keeps on telling me you went to heaven whenever I ask of your whereabouts. Heaven must be a beautiful place because it took the most lovely and significant person in my life. Your love for me was, and I still believe, is so beautiful. And I really appreciate God for the time we spent together. Who is going to bring me the toys you constantly brought me? Who is going to be repairing my bike? Who will be holding my hand and that of Mom to reassure us that all will be well. My graduation is in 1 week's time. I promise I won't fail you. I'll grow up to be the man you always wanted me to be. I promise to be a strong man like you so that I can take care of Mommy for you. We miss you, Daddy. I miss your jokes. I miss the many moments we shared together. I miss your big warm hugs. Please watch over us. Keep sending those big hugs to keep us warm. I personally miss you and will always miss you every day of my life. Rest well, Daddy, forever in our hearts.